Hey everybody, this is Bill, and here's your weekly wrap-up for the week of January the 3rd. Well, we ended up only doing one trade this week. It was a short week anyway, but, better just one profitable trade than many unprofitable ones. We ran with the trend on Friday and did the short. Made a little bit over 1/4 of a point on the CEF short. And that was pretty much it for the week. The rest of the week, the other ones didn't really fire off in the correct direction. So there was a chance you could have made a little bit of money on XL going short at first thing in the morning on Thursday, but you had to really be limber to catch that. So that was the program for the week. And so now let's look at the rest of the market and see what's going on. Let's go to our futures first. The English pound is in the dead zone, so not much going on there. The euro down below its lower Keltner channel and heading lower in that direction, which seems to be the case. The yen jumped up for the week. It has jumped up into the upper channel, which is interesting because the government now regulates the yen. So I would not be surprised to see a precipitous dive lower unexpectedly sometime in the near future. As far as the U.S. market is concerned, the S&P, the Russell, and the Dow are at their upper Keltner channels, or very close to their upper Keltner channels. I think that my personal opinion is we're pretty close to the end of the Santa Claus rally. I would not be surprised to see a dive down from here for those. Gold and silver are both staging a little bit of a rebound here. They've worked their ways back up to the middle Keltner channels, but they do still have a downward sloping channel, so just be careful with those guys. As far as the overall market is concerned, Google seems to be breaking out of its the channel it was working on here at the upper top of the Keltner and continuing to rise. A little pullback on Friday, but we'll see what happens there. Baidu popped up to its middle line in the Keltner channel, but still a downward sloping channel, so it's more to the downside there. Here's a big surprise. Netflix popped up higher, way up into the upper Keltner channel, so it's interesting to see what might be going on there. I think all of this is still a lot of window dressing for the end of the year, but we'll see. Apple charging to the moon here, so must have sold a lot of iPads for Christmas. RIM still I mean, it's back to the middle of its Keltner channel, but still not looking good. Cisco more up and down, kind of in a channel here, going sideways. Oracle dove down to the lower Keltner channel, downward sloping channel as well now, with a lot of consolidation sideways, so that looks like that would be going that way for a while. Amazon's almost exactly the same, dropped down to the lower Keltner channel, and it is continuing to trend sideways. Unfortunately, I don't have any free picks for you for Monday. The scanner for Thinkorswim is down, so I can't scan for any selections, so Monday's going to be pickless. So just relax, watch the action, learn from what you see, and look back over old trades, see if we could do things differently, and we'll just go from there. Okay? Later. Goodbye.